boy. Thank God I met you today. Oh, Chai.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. You know, I just heard you came around and that you were filming here, and I have to rush home. You know, I have to shop to come and take pictures with you. I'm a big fan of yours. Okay, I've followed you for years.
Wow.
I used to comment on your page, everything. You know, everything you post, spam, I comment.
Chai, thank you so much.
Yes, my name is your boy, Gio.
It's your boy, G.
Yes, I'm a rapper.
Oh, you rap?
Yeah, I rap.
You look it.
Thank you, sir.
Nice
Can I take selfie with
Go
you?
on. What's there? Where are you from?
Yes, I'm from Igbo.
Oh, Igbo.
Yeah, but I live around here.
Okay. I take another one. Good.
Can I take another one? Low angle. You're not smiling well, sir.
Okay. Good one.
All right.
See you later.
One more thing, sir. Please. I don't know if you can do this for me. I've been following you, asking you to follow me, but you don't follow me back.
Follow you go where?
I mean, follow my page.
Follow your page.
Yes,
sir. Okay. What's your page?
I think it's your boy G.O. #1 African rapper. Yes, that's it.
So where is your content? Because I'm not seeing anything here, and this is not your picture. You're using someone's picture to do your profile.
You know, sometimes we have to put, you know, American rapper, you know, to show people this is where we are targeting.
To show where we are targeting. American rapper. You see, the problem you young people of these days have is because you don't have patience. You are always in a hurry to get to somewhere where it is not profitable. Somebody you just met, the only thing you could ask me is to follow you.
Are you normal?
My brother, there is time for everything. How long will you continue to ask people to follow you? Ebe comes to Gaga. It was Jesus Christ of Nazareth. It will must see Sunday Israel. That was him. Follow you. Okay, now I want to follow you. There's nothing to follow you for.
But I have
what is here? There's no video here. You are using fake account, fake name. It's your boy B.O.G. You see, sometimes we cause our problem by ourselves. You need to calm down. Let your work speak for you. You must not force every celebrity to follow you. What you are doing, someday I may run into your video and I find it interesting. Go to your page and I see what you are doing. See that you are doing well on my own, by myself, with myself and into myself. I will follow you. This is what you keep doing that make people sometimes they look as if celebrities are so harsh. I don't want to sound rude, but what you did now is wrong. Let your job speak for you.
Okay, the rude. Okay, the rude upon all this my loyalty to you. Eh? You are insulting me because I came to cheer you up. Eh? And I don't like it too. I don't like that. There are things I don't tolerate at all. Not from celebrity. One day I'll be like you. I will pass you safe. That is I'm going to help all comers. You help. I'm here just to cheer you up. You might see where
you see, they are solely stop blabbing. If you like to come from the river, I don't care.
No, Gawa here, Biko.
I didn't you know tomorrow I got here. I beg get behind me, Satan. Man, look at the message. Look at him job with the Biko one. I'm what can you blue and white? No, go back to secondary school. What is wrong with young what would I call them? Upcomers. Even an artist. Chairman, good morning. I want to snap picture. It's a picture. I love your video. Beautiful. The next thing, follow me. Can you hear them so geje? Okay, now I want to follow you. There is even nothing on your page. You're using an American rapper to do your profile picture. Nothing is there. Every minute of the day, I used to see this name. He keep on taxing people for followership. Allow them to follow you when it's time. Your job should speak for you. Again, what is something you came? You want to blow, you want to do this, yet you are not doing anything that will blow you. Your content should speak for you. Be more creative. Do something original. Don't copy people. Always be on your lane. Maintain your track. And you will see it. All those celebrities that will line up. When I started, nobody was following me. But when I started doing well, they see my content. They see what I do. They see seriousness. They see professionalism. And they started following me by themselves. Some people, I will not even follow them. I will not comment on my stuff. I will not have to go back and say, this chairman is following me. I will not follow back. That is how it's done. You don't task people, follow me, follow me. Video, you didn't ask of that. The next thing will follow you. Chiefimo, I want to snap picture. Chief, now can you follow me? Please follow me. Damn the person. Everybody should be careful. Be very, very original. Do what God has given you as a talent. Do it well and don't copy people. Don't envy people. Do it diligently and you see this followership, lining up on your page. May God Almighty bless you and bless whatever you lay your hands upon. And the upcomers, you will grow. You will grow. I pray every day that they will grow because me, I was once an upcomer. Today, I'm growing. I just like where I'm going to. I'm not even where I am now because I know I've not gotten to anywhere. I still need to fly more. And that is why I'm always humble and loyal to people. So loyalty will also fetch you a lot of wonderful things. Don't make yourself an object of caricature, just like this idiot just did. Sorry to call him an idiot, but he behaved as one. Damn him and damn whatever his BIG or CIC is. Because my parents no moto madam by any me be coming. Cut it.